Hindi mahirap maging genuine kapag masaya ka. At ang tunay na genuineness, lumalabas yan kapag wala ka ng dahilan para maging mabuti. Habang tumatanda ka, marirealize mo yan na hindi lahat ng mabait, genuine. At hindi lahat ng sweet, sincere. Kasi, alam mo yung pagiging genuine, yung genuine people na yan, sobrang rare na yan nowadays. Being genuine kasi means being the same person whether there's something to gain or wala. Hindi sila mabait sa'yo dahil may kailangan sila. Hindi sila present dahil convenient. Hindi sila loyal dahil may kapalit. Totoo sila kahit walang audience. Totoo sila kahit walang reward. And the older I get, the more I appreciate that. Hindi na ako masyadong impressed sa charm. Lalong-lalo na sa matatamis na salita. Mas nakaka-impress na ngayon yung consistency, sa totoo lang. Yung kahit wala ka nang mapapala, andyan pa din sila. Tapos pareho pa rin yung values nila kahit na sobrang nag-improve na yung buhay nila. Yun yung genuine. Because at the end of the day, character will always outlast charisma. And genuine people will always stand out in a world full of performances. Kaya choose yourself quietly.